You never know what you're gonna see at these meets. But yeah, no, this is your prototypical DIY build right here.
Yeah.
Something like along these lines. All right, we're taking a look at Joe's van syndicate group. If you want to participate in meets and I can't participate, I put my seal of approval on this guy's meet. Since you guys like the lifted van stuff, what lift kit do you have in this, man?
It's the action van.
And you bought the van like this, right?
Yeah, I bought the van as is on the outside.
There it is.
Added the Ryan light bar.
Ryan light bar. And you're the first one to do the 5 lights, right?
I'm the first one to do the 5 lights.
You requested them.
Custom request.
Custom request. Now a bunch of people want the 5 lights. I think a couple of guys have got the 5 lights. What have you done to this since you bought? So you bought it with the lift kit.
Bought it with the lift kit. Recently, like I said, I just had the seats reupholstered.
In Mexico.
Really good deal. If you guys need some seats, $380, 2 seats. I got the Switch Pro. Well, it's not a Switch Pro, but it's a Switch box out there to control my lights.
All kinds of stuff up here. Oh, and then you got the eBay special base, swivel base. We'll look at it later.
Added the shower to the side, which is actually pretty cool. It's on actual TV mount, so it comes out way past the van.
And then this guy has extra fuel because this guy actually goes out for like a week at a time, right?
Yep, I got 5 gallons of fuel, 5 gallons of water for the shower. Recently, I just finished building out these slide-out boxes for all my recovery gear and shower equipment on one side. And on this side is all the cooking equipment that I need.
This guy always shares food with me.
And I have my slide out here for the Blackstone stove, so I don't have to bust out a table to cook, and just tucks away.
I asked this guy to send me one of his recovery missions with Chris, and this is why I endorsed this guy along with Frederico. Frederico hangs out with this guy a lot, and they just rescued Chris. It looked like a crazy mission. What was it, man? 3 hours?
Yeah, close to 3 hours. Yep.
And those are the people you want to hang out with, people with knowledge. I ask this guy for advice all the time. You know, he knows some good trails. He taught me about Fish Creek. So, propane.
Got a storage box on top of a mini built rack. Got my onboard air right here. Touch the button, I got air.
Is that propane for the buddy heater?
That is propane for my cooking stove.
Okay.
Blackstone, and I also use it for the shower and the buddy heater if I need it.
Nice.
The luminous ladder, the luminous tire rack, the 270 awning. Inside, pretty much inside that gray box is my fridge. It's on slide out, so I just slide it out to access it. My Home Depot 2.5 gallon bucket is stored away and stashed in there for the office calls in the morning. Got a Blue Eddy. It's the Elite 200V, backed up by EcoFlow.
And then this box is for food.
For food, yeah.
Yeah, there's nothing bad in there, just for food.
The expensive food, that's why it's locked up.
There you go.
And then that's pretty much it. Got some flashlights. I don't know if you want to, I've got my electrical back there that shows how everything gets powered right behind my seat.
The eBay special base. Notice the seat is higher here than there because it fits between the factory base. So it sandwiches between factory, swivel, seat. So I'm probably going to get one. It's 119, you said?
119, 125, depending. You could bid them down.
Yeah.
It's on eBay, so you can make an offer, and they usually drop it down.
And Javi Wasabi gave us the heads up on that one. I think he was the first one. That's what we learned from each other. But yeah, no, this is your prototypical DIY build right here. Yeah. Something like along these lines.
You want to do a little quick little shot of this. This is how everything gets powered. My Blue Eddy. I don't run solar panels.
Yeah, a lot of you don't. Solar's kind of overrated, man.
I don't know if you can get a good shot right there, but that's where all the power's at.
Okay.
Got a Blue Eddy Charger 1. Powers
Nice.
up my Blue Eddies and power to my onboard air.
Shout out to Ryan.
Shout out to Ryan.
So when you start up the vehicle, that's all your stuff powers up. Yep. Solar.
As soon as I turn it on, it starts powering up my Blue Eddies. And my Blue Eddies will last me 3 to 4 days. So
Yeah.
the fridge.
At the last meet, I ran out of electricity. I need to do what you guys are doing. Solar, when you're not getting sunlight, solar's it's worthless, basically. So yeah, that's Joe's van Syndicate. He's a guy to hang out with. I would love more freedom. Hopefully next year I have more freedom, but for now, it's a guy to hang out with. Lots of cool people in this group. Look who we got. This is just an impromptu meet. We got Texas Ranger here. We got Jose again. We got Woe Trips, we got Don, and we got Camille. And this is just a, hey, who wants to hang out this weekend sort of meet. We're all in the same group, so hang out with Joe. I'll pin his Instagram right here, guys. Nice, well done. This is your prototypical build. That's not a sports mobile, nothing, anyone could afford a van like this. It's not $100 grand, and this guy's out, like I said, 5 days, 1 week at a time. I think you want to do a couple month trip soon, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna be going more likely to Mississippi here in the near future, possibly. Not set in stone yet, but it's on the bucket list.
Yeah, just a trip that you just take your time and take in the scenes.
Take in all the different states.
There you go, guys. Yeah. I need to do that now. That's cool. I was about to end this video, but I forgot to check out the roof. This is storage that you could step on, accessing the ladder, and look, this is the dream with the van, to hang out on the roof. Like Jose's kid, right there, hang out on the roof. This is nice. Like I said, this is your typical DIY build. Lots of fun. They're having a lot of fun. Hey, I'm just enjoying the day. We didn't do no crazy off-roading today. We just wanted to hang out today.
You can't carry like more than 5 gallons of gas. You can't have more than 50 cc's. Like those rules.
So today I just wanted to relax. Look at the sky, look at the mountains, just be around good people.
This is a little situation that Mr. Christopher Landon has put himself into. We need to get his van all through this whole section. Once we repair his tie rod and his drive link, because they broke. So it's about 3 o'clock right now. They're on the way to recover parts so we can get the trail repair done. Hopefully we can get them out without breaking anything else.
Oh, hey, hold on.
You good?
Everything should go smooth.
I heard about this guy at the meet I didn't go to. This is the MVP right here.
Oh yeah.
That's you they pull out of here when you come back.
Mass over recovery, I get them out.